This is a follow-up video to talk about some things that you may be noticing since our sync with Skyward that created your Google Classrooms automatically. So when you open Google Classroom, you are going to see that you have some new classes that have been created. They will mirror the way your classes look in Skyward, and you're going to see the accept button on these classes. It's really important that you go ahead and click accept so that these classes are activated for you. This is an example of a class on this screen that in which this person is a student, and a new feature that your students are going to see is this keep track of progress, and the little icon here that has the silhouette of the person. Your students will be notified that if they click here, they can see all of their work and their grades for the class that they are in. And again, this is a classroom right here that this teacher is a student in, so that's why it looks a little bit different. But the others that Skyward has created all have the accept button, so you'll go ahead and accept these. And remember that because we are syncing Skyward classes with Little Sis, that when students change schedules, if they leave your class or come into your class in an overnight process, Skyward will add students or remove them from these classes automatically. If you have classes in this view that you have created, you can leave those if you want to, but you can also archive them. And to archive the classes so that you don't see those classes maybe that you created but you don't need anymore, you can go to the little menu under these three dots and choose archive, and then those classes will live in a menu that you can get to up here in the upper left corner. When you click here, you can go to archived classes and you can see them again. So keep in mind also that you can go to archived classes and use posts and assignments that you have previously used. So just because they're archived does not mean that you can't get to them and that you can't use things that you've previously used. So this is just to follow up with you to kind of remind you of why these classes are here. Again, please accept your classes so that Skyward can manage students moving in and out in an overnight process. And please, if you have questions, call the Technology Help Desk at extension 4125.